Let's make a lower fat hummus. Okay, hummus, as you know, is chickpeas, but it's also made with tahini. We're going to be skipping the tahini today and substituting with something else that's lower in fat but gives a similar flavor. So the first thing you want to do is grab a 15.5 ounce can of chickpeas and drain them. Save that Aquafaba. That's the liquid in there. Save that. We're going to need some of that. And I just set it on top of the can like this. I'm going to set that to the side. Next, get your food processor ready and add those chickpeas into your food processor. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of PB Fit powder. Now what PB Fit powder is basically dehydrated peanut butter. Tahini is sesame, not peanut, but they have some similar properties and put into a hummus. Tastes really good. Next, we need 3 tablespoons of Aquafaba. That's what this liquid is that came out of that can. It's actually a great thing to use for a lot of different purposes. It can be almost an egg replacement, a binder. It does a lot of things. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 3 cloves of garlic. Some fresh cracked black pepper. Then we pop on the lid and take it for a spin. I processed this for a total of about 2 minutes. After 30 seconds, I did actually open it up and scrape down the sides. So, you know, it takes about 2.5 minutes or so. But as you can see, we have a lovely, creamy hummus. Just want to get that into a bowl. Now that we have our hummus, gotta have something to dip in it. I like these little pretzel crisps. These things are just pretty amazing. Used them in another video recently. But just get it in there, get some hummus on your chip. This is absolutely amazing. It's all the flavor of hummus that you're used to without the oil, without the tahini. Doesn't add a lot of extra calories. I need more. Yeah, the flavors are just so lovely. The PB Fit actually fits the tahini bill very, very nicely. You can, of course, flavor this with anything you want. You can put all sorts of things into this. And when you're done, put a lid on it, stick it in the fridge. It'll last probably a week if you can keep it around that long. But as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on The Bistro.